I'm Gary with Billetworkz. I'm joined with Austin, and the founder of Billetworkz. Austin, what is a first entry-level upgrade for all 22 and up WRX owners that would want to get a great purchase without having to worry about too much?
So of course at Billetworkz our specialty is custom shift knobs. I always recommend our Fusion shift knob. It is more on the premium side, especially price point, but it features the leather or the Alcantara core, which matches the interior almost perfectly, whatever suits your personal preference. Another option is just our basic weighted shift knob. We offer these in a few different shapes. This is a very good all-around option for whatever fits your personal preference. Or if you want to go a little bit different direction, we offer the hybrid. This features a temperature-resistant shell, and it's a little bit taller in height, so it gives you a little bit different feel. But yeah, we offer a bunch of different options, so whichever suits your personal preference.
Cool. As far as installation process, is it fairly easy? If I'm not so mechanically inclined, is it going to be difficult? Am I going to hurt the car? How's the process go?
So super easy install. All of our shift knobs install the same. Minimal tools, 5-minute install time, maybe 10 minutes if you really want to take your time, but otherwise it's a great first mod.
And then if I really want to maybe spend a little bit more cash, I just got a nice bonus check, I would love to pair the Fusion knob with something. What would that something be?
So a few different options. Of course, at Billetworkz we offer a bunch of different products for the Subarus, but one of our other first best mods that we definitely call out is our shifter stops. This helps with the first and second gear slop. This is a great, inexpensive mod. Otherwise, if you want to get a little bit more in depth, we offer a full shore shifter kit. That's about a 2 to 4 hour install in total. Or we recently launched our Alcantara shift boots and e-brake boots that would pair extremely well with the Fusion and the rest of the interior of the car.
Awesome. It sounds like I'm going to grab myself a Fusion and a slop stopper. www.billetworkz.com to go shop yours. We'll see you next time.